Okay, new in from Summer Fridays, starting with the Butter Lip Balm in Cherry. I love this one because it gives a nice pop of color to the lips, and the packaging looks like this. Next up, I have the Brown Sugar. This is the first time I purchased this one. Wow, I love the color. Smell. Oh yeah, very sugary, nice. And the third product I got from Cow Beauty, 20% off, is the lip oil. Look at this beautiful, elegant packaging. I mean, I have to say that the product is not a lot. This one is Blush Dreams. Wow, let's apply this one. The applicator is quite big, so it just goes all over my lips. It's a beautiful color. Let's see if I can apply it here.